and welcome to today's tip. I went to the bargain basement section of a store the other day and found these 3D pearl paint. They were like £1, so maybe $2 US equivalent. And I thought, oh, I wonder what I can do with them. They're called 3D pearl paint, and basically all they are, inside is acrylic paint. I would imagine a little bit of gesso or a little bit of thickener. You could even use cornstarch, and it just happens that this was a metallic paint. So I could get my usual metallic paint, add a bit of thickener, and then put it in this little cool tube thing, which is what I'm actually going to be doing once I have used all the paint up inside this. Now it's got this little kind of nozzle at the end, and I even think you can buy these, so if you wanted to make this you could easily make it from scratch. But what I'm going to do is use it, I'm going to use the purple, as I'm actually going to write with it. So this one's going to say love. Now the only thing is you have to leave it. You cannot touch it now for a long time, and it can even take 2 or 3 days. So it's not the quickest device going, quickest kind of production of a card. You certainly wouldn't want to be doing it on the fly. And you can even do little dots, like just pull your container up, so press down to get it out, and then to get the most perfect circle you need to pull up, and then you will get these cool little dots that look fabulous on cards that usually are so expensive. Now this is a yellow. Again, I'm going to use these up, make loads of things with them, and then I'm going to add my own colours. And here I've just used one, same thing, hello, on some, just this is old paper, and this is just from my old one of my classes that I've done. So I hope you've enjoyed this, a really lovely easy technique, and one that you can make from scratch yourself. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time.